Hello everyone, how are you doing all? In the last video, we talked about how to be good. That means we talk about sila. That means that makes you how to be a good person, and it leads you to be happy in the long run. So when you become good persons, it makes you contented and satisfied by externally or internally, and you feel confidence in any ways, in anywhere. And then in the second step is to feel happiness all the times, and that is what we are going to talk about now. So when we refer to the happiness in Buddhism, it is a state of our mind, and happiness, we have to distinguish that happiness from pleasures. Pleasures usually stimulate to our senses. When we see beautiful things, that is pleasures. When we hear something beautiful sounds, that is pleasures. When we smell something pleasant perfumes, that is pleasures. When we taste something delicious foods, that is pleasures. When we touch some pleasant things, that is pleasures. So pleasures generally depend on the external objects. And another thing is it's only for a while and then it goes away. It never makes you remain satisfied. Only makes you for a while excited and then it goes away. And when it goes away, you feel dissatisfied. You feel unpleasant. So that means pleasure have two parts. When it is a kind of sensations. When the pleasant sensation is there, then you feel happy. When the pleasant sensation is not there, you are unhappy. And similarly, when the unpleasant sensation is here, you feel unhappy. When the unpleasant sensation is not there, you feel happy. That means you can be pleasant or unpleasant both from the pleasures. This is the kinds of disadvantages Buddha generally try to avoid to his followers, not to follow the pleasures, but to follow the happiness. And the happiness is not about pleasant or unpleasant sensations. It is the kind of state of our mind in any situation, in any circumstances. It's a deep, a profound insight of our energy that makes you confident and happy all the times. And through understanding, through wisdom, we develop happiness. This is why it's a kinds of thing that makes you active all the time when you have happiness. And in order to get that happiness, we have to purify of our minds. That we have to purify all the kinds of defilements, such as greed, hatred, and delusions. Any kinds of disturbances that arises from the external world. We have to restrain all these things. Then we try to purify our mind through wisdom. Then we can slowly or gradually happiness develops. So this is why happiness is state of our mind through cultivating of our wisdoms. So that means when you become a good person, that means after developing sila, that means you have to cultivate the samadhi also. that make you happiness. This is completely different from pleasures, that you can be happy in any circumstances because your wisdom is quite strong. So I wish you got it, what I have explained. I see you in the next video.